Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. Hang in there with me. Right, Fred Rogers. You know, I heard a interview that they did with Fred Rogers, and I learned something really interesting. You know how for, I think it was over 31 years, he had the Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood show, and how many kids and parents love that show. And part of what they really appreciated was how Fred Rogers made each child they were talking to feel heard and feel special. And you know, you might think to yourself, well, that came naturally. But in this interview that they did of Fred Rogers, he said no. You know, he had to consciously work at that for his whole life, that skill. What skill? He said making people feel that you were present for them and that you were really hearing them. That was important. He said the first thing he had to learn to do was to slow down. Good eye contact, slow down, and he said he really needed to work at paying attention and listening to what they were saying. And it is fascinating how unusual and powerful that became, that quality, but it wasn't something that was just natural. He had to work on it his whole life, he said. Something to remember for us when we're talking about our families, our employees, team members, customers, prospects. Important lesson. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.